Houston. This is my first ever show at Black Show. I like y'all already. We like you too! Let's do my introduction. On the guitar, we got Jared. On the bass, we got CK. There's a running rumor that he was born in a bucket. We don't really know what that means, but... And on the drums, we got Mr. Cannon Cole. And yours truly, my name is AJ. My government name is Aaron, but, you know, that's not as cool as AJ. So, yeah.
I would also like to really say thanks to Kyle, obviously, for making all this possible, wherever he is. I don't know where he is. And also, obviously, last week we lost Ozzy, so I'd also really like to thank him, because without him, probably none of this music would have existed, so... Yeah.
Yeah.